January 1, just got up, woke up 8 a.m. Somebody's annoying me on the side. Anyway, it's 12:20. I woke up 8 a.m. Went to sleep around 3 a.m. So like I'm having a headache right now. But the day has to start, so let's start now. Okay, finally got out of the house and we're heading to Mornington for today. I'm gonna go around the place just for the new year. Hello! Vanilla slice for today. So that's the vanilla slice we're having for today. How's it? Good. Solo and passion fruit zero. We decided to go out for the new year and we end up here in Mornington. But the thing is, we're just here for the food. Eggs Benedict, but I've just realized I'm so hungry. I got the big breakfast. It's gonna be a fatty year. Now, Mount Martha. The thing is, we're wearing shoes, so yeah. Sucks.
You take it off.
Yeah. Mornington Beach, Mornington, Mount Martha. Mount Martha Beach. Hey. Ano lang ta kay nagsapatos man ta. New Year at the beach, bringing a bottle of water, and it's fairly hot, but it's fine. Yeah. Quick stroll, and we're heading out. Quick, because the main mission here was just to eat. Not really. Yep. So I'm currently hiking down here. It's Mount Martha, the pillars. I'm not sure where I'm going, but I'm going down. Whoa, look at that. Awesome. The long way down. It's kind of slippery too. Let's jump. Oh, it's not a pathway here. Yep, a lot of people fishing here, this part here. Okay, the pillars are over there, but yeah, I'm too lazy to go there. There's a lot of people there also. There's no shade, parking stuff, because you have to walk all the way there. So just happy to be here, and I'm going back to the car now. Yep, going back to the car now. It's a fair walk on steep ground, but yes, heading back to the car now. So yeah, I think this is gonna cap our trip for the Mornington trip for this summer, for this New Year trip that we have. You can see some jumping, those cliffs out there, but I don't know if you're able to jump. The pillar is on the other side, we just sit in. So I think that's just it for the New Year's trip that we have. We're heading home. I'm heading to Macca's. I'm trying to get coffee frappe. And I'm gonna try to upload for tonight, but not much vlogs today, but it's all good. Yeah. She's asleep, she's tired. Yeah, let's go.